In this lecture, we're going to learn how to use SASS in our project. The CSS we've written in our components is being processed as plain CSS. If you watched the previous section, you may be aware that I introduced SASS. The project we are currently working in does not have SASS installed, but it's easy to add if you prefer to use SASS. If you have the server running, then you will need to turn it off. Otherwise, we won't be able to install additional modules. Afterward, inside the command line, run the following command: npm install sass save dev. Next, open the greeting component inside your editor. We'll add an attribute called language to the style block. Its value will be SCSS. Our project is now using SASS. The great thing about using the preset that came with the Vue CLI is that it's configured to use most CSS preprocessors like SASS. Adding the language attribute will instruct the compiler to use the preprocessor for the language you're specifying. Let's give it a try. Update the selector with the hover pseudo-selector. Next, set the color property to the darken function with the following arguments: #cc4444 15%. Lastly, we'll turn on the server. We'll refresh the page one more time. Sure enough, the stylings still get applied. The SASS code gets compiled into CSS. It's a very simplistic approach to writing CSS. There's a lot more to using CSS in Vue, but we'll get to those subjects later. I encourage you to read the documentation to help you get a better understanding on how to use CSS in Vue. The more advanced topics are things we'll get to once we need them.